show for us almost, like, woo!
So you got that? When he says up next, that means you go for backstage on deck right away. And if he's on stage, if he says on deck, get up right away, go around and get around back so you can be ready. Got that, guys? Yeah. No, I said.
What? They don't sound ready.
They don't sound ready, do they?
No, they don't.
What about you? Got that, guys? Good. You're not doing it. Oh, okay. Well, it sounds like you kind of got it. Well, Jared said you wanted me to. What did you want me to do again? Manly teapot again?
Yeah. Something like that.
All right, everybody, stand up! Stand up!
It's harder and harder to stand up and sit down.
Please repeat after me song. Mr. Repeat after me song. This is a do as I do song. This is a do as I do song. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle, this is my stout. This is my handle, this is my stout. When I get a sing up, hear me shout. When I get a sing up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Tip me over and pour me out. I'm a little teapot, ooh, teapot, ooh.
With Who's on First, and then if I can look at my sheet here, I can't remember, 479 with Raisin Brand needs to be on deck, okay?